How to easily set or add a picture as a background on PowerPoint. So to start, we'll just have to open a sample PowerPoint, and then in here, as you can see, I only have 2 slides. So to add a background, the first thing that you need to do is to select the slide, and then in here, we'll have to right click. After that, select on this Format Background option. After that, a Format Background settings will appear here. Under here, we'll have to select the fill option. After that, make sure that you select this picture or texture fill. And then in here, we'll have to go on this picture source option. Under that, tap on this insert option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. Select this option from a file. And then after that, it will automatically open our desktop file manager. What you need to do is to select the picture that you want to use as a background. After that, tap on this open option. And as you can see, that picture is automatically added here as my PowerPoint background. So that's how easy we can set or add a picture as a background on PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.